Poor Cocky. Poor Cocky. Beak and feather. Horrible disease. All your friends have deserted you. They don't want you around. They push you away from the food. If I could catch you, I'd take you down to the vet and have you put down, mercifully. But you won't let me catch you. So you're having your last few moments here on video. Poor darling, poor Cocky. You should be looking so handsome and strong. There you are, darling. I know, you're hungry. You're calling out for your friends. And they don't care about you. You can hear them in the distance. And when you're here with them, they chase you away. Oh well, such is birds' life. Hello, darling. I know, you're hungry. You call out. There you are, love. I'll have you a few moments on video. Don't know how long you're going to last. A few weeks, few months. But eventually you'll just drop down somewhere. Unless someone can catch you and take you up to be put down. I know, Cockatoo. Poor Cockatoo. I know. You can't eat properly. Horrible disease, this beak and feather. You've lost your crown in glory, your beautiful white crest, your yellow crest, and your feathers are starting to go off. You're looking very grubby. You can't preen yourself properly, and you're not feeling well enough. Poor darling, poor darling. There you are. I know. Can you hear all your friends in the background? They're all down across the way over there. Poor precious darling, I know. You can hear them. You can hear them, Cockatoo. I know, you can hear them. I know. You're calling out, but they don't care. Such is the way of birds. They don't care. Your friends don't care. As you wouldn't care for them. Oh well. It's a bird's life after all. Fortunately, your Heavenly Father has you in his eye. He knows how many of you fall to the ground unnoticed. He hears you calling out. So someone cares. Someone knows. Your Heavenly Father who made you, who knows every feather on your now aging or diseased body. He knows how many feathers there were, are, and how many you'll have left when eventually you fall to the ground. And if nobody around sees you to pick you up and bury you or put you under a tree somewhere, well, he knows. He knows where you'll fall down. Now here's one of your healthy friends. Hello, love. Hello, Tapper. Are you Tapper? Are you the Tapper? Here's your friend over here. Here's another Tapper. I know, here's your friend. Here's your poor sick friend over here. Do you care? Do you care, Cockatoo? I think that's a no. Or maybe it's just couldn't care less. What are you talking about? I know. Hello, love. Hello, darlings. Hello. Here the king's back. Hello, love. Come on. Who wants food? Oh, no, love. You. There you are. There's you. Here you are. Oh, yeah. Here's trouble. Here's trouble. You don't care if somebody's got beak and feather. You don't care. You don't care, Cockatoo. Are you the Tapper? Hello, little duck. Hello, love. What are you doing here? Hello, love. Hello, Mr. King. I know. Here's a beak and feather over here. Do you care? Here's one of your mob. Hello, love. Oh, look, he's going to sleep. Poor darling. You'll be sleeping your last soon. I hope it's quick. I really hope it's quick. Hello, little duck. Hello, little duck. Hello, little duck. If I ever went away from here, I'd miss you lot. I really would. Oh well. I'll leave it there for you, love. Okay. All right, love. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you're trying to clean yourself up. Doesn't do much good though. You get all dirty. All right, love. Bye now.